Hello guys, in the first video I have explained the first 4 steps in solving a Rubik's Cube. In this video I am going to explain you the remaining steps which are including the formulas, and you have to remember that formulas and use those formulas while completely making a cube. That is from the 5th step. Starting the 5th step, as the 2 layers are formed, that is completely 2 layers and a top layer is formed. Now you choose a T shape, that is with 2 layers complete, and this one as a T. We can't get a T, so try it with another color. I am trying with blue. I have got a T, that is T shape, and this 2 layers completed. So you have to check it for the top. As there is no plus on the top, we have to use the first formula. The first formula is F R U R dash U dash F dash. F is the face of the cube. That is, if you want to rotate F, that is face of the cube, you have to choose the 2 layers while using the F. That is, F is clockwise and F dash is anti-clockwise. And then R is right side. If you rotate R, that is clockwise, and R dash is anti-clockwise. If you rotate the upper part clockwise, it is U, and if you rotate the upper part anti-clockwise, it is U dash. And D, this is the down. If you rotate it clockwise, D, and if you rotate anti-clockwise, D dash. Left is L. If you rotate it clockwise, L, and L dash. Now let us apply the first formula to this cube, that is F R U R dash U dash F dash. Is there a plus? No. Again make a T. I am doing it again with blue. F R U R dash U dash F dash. Again there is no plus. Now we will try with another color. Red. F R U R dash U dash F dash. There is no plus, so we'll try it again until we'll get a plus over the top. F R U R dash U dash F dash. This time we could see that there is a plus over the top. This is the plus of white color. So check for the colors which are adjacent to each other and forming a T. We have a T here. There is no adjacent T. We check for another color. Yes, here we have a T and here we have a T. Now catch it like this and turn it, and this time we have to apply the second formula, and the second formula is R U R dash U R U dash U dash R dash U. So we'll apply the formula R U R dash U R U dash U dash R dash U. See, we can observe that every side we have 2 layers and T formed. This is the completion of second formula. And coming to third formula. Third formula is U R U dash L U R dash U dash L dash. Apply the third formula when you check for the cubes. See, this is a corner cube. This corner cube has orange, blue and white, but the colors in this side, three colors are not those colors, as the blue is there and there are different colors here. See, orange and white are common. White is there and orange is there, but this side we have green, not blue. Check for another corner. Here we have orange, green and white. These are also different. Here we have different colors. See, this side we have formed a cube with same colors in these three sides, or green color, red color and white color. So we will try with the third formula from here so that we can get it easily. U R U dash L U R dash U dash L dash. We'll check for the colors if they are matching. See, this side we have already matched. Here it is not matched. So we'll start it again from the third formula. U R U dash L U R dash U dash L dash. Again there is not a complete matching of the corners, so we will try it again. Okay, on the let me check. There is no match cube. So again start the formula. U R U dash L U R dash U dash L dash. What happened with this cube? I'll write from here. U R U dash L U R dash U dash and L dash. It's not forming a cube. There is some problem in it. I'll check it. Let me try once again applying the formula. U R U dash L U R dash U dash and L dash. Matched. This side there is no match. This side it is not match. This side there is no match. U R U dash L U R dash U dash L dash. Something is gone, I think so. See, this cube is already, I hope so, it is broken and we have attached it and placed it wrong positions. This can be helpful for you too. This side we have matched side with all the three sides, and this side we have matched corner with all the three sides, but these two corners are not matching. In the third form, after the applying the third formula, if two of the corners are matched, the remaining two corners are misplaced, I hope. This is the thing, so we have to remove this. I think so it is broken. This is the wrong position actually, so we have to replace it. Don't think that I am cheating that, but this is the correct thing to do. The cube is completed without the fourth formula actually. I will show the fourth formula once again. Let me disturb everything. As you got a mistake, we will start it from the beginning and you can get a clarity in the previous video also. Here we are having a white color in the center and the down color is a yellow color. You make a plus as yellow color on the top. You have to search for the yellow colors. Here it is. We have to bring it here. Like this. So we will have one more yellow and bring it to its position. This is the plus, and we have to take the each yellow color side, that is red color. Here we have orange to turn two down layers and we'll get a red color here. Turn it two times, and here we have already we have a green color. Turn it two times. Here we are getting a blue color and we'll turn once and turn it two times. Here we should get a orange color and turn it two times. Here we are getting a yellow as plus, and we have to fill all those yellow colors which are left over with the yellow colors which are available in the third layer. This is 1, 2 and 3. Here we have yellow color and blue color side. We should take it to the blue color center matching, and we should place it here. For that we have to do it like this. Again one more yellow color, take it to blue center and place it here. Again one more yellow color, we have to search for it, and here it is. We should bring it to the third layer. As orange is in the side, we should take it to the orange center and put it in this position to make it correct. Here we have yellow, but it is in the down, so we should bring it to third layer. See, we have got the top layer as yellow color and small t's on the sides. Take a large T. This is the T. Here we have blue color, so this side we have blue color, and we should turn it in the opposite side and take the blue color side to downwards. Take it to the blue side, take it back. Again we have to place it here like this. I have explained it in the previous video. Do this step until we will get a two layers filled. I am doing it as I said. Do it like this. This side we have green color, so turn it opposite side. Turn the green color downside and take it back. I'm doing it fastly. If you want clarity, you check for the previous video. See, we have got top layer and two layers filled. This is the step 4 completion. In the step 5, you should take a big T on the one side and check for the plus. As we have got a plus already, we don't require a first formula, that is which I have explained till now, and we should go directly to the second formula. We should get a two big T's also, that is side by side. Here we got two big T's, this one and this one. Catch it like this and do the second formula. R U R dash U R U dash U dash R dash U, and we have got all the big T's in all the sides. This come to the end of second formula. You should check the cubes. In this cube we have red, white and blue. All the sides we have red, white and blue. This side we have got orange, blue and white. See, we have got the matching of corners, so we don't require a third formula. Actually, we should go for the fourth formula. R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. Again turn this side. Don't go and do it from here like this. We have to turn it towards us like this. and apply the formula r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d. See, after applying the fourth formula, we will get a cube, completely formed cube. As you have observed, there are so many problems in solving a cube. You have to overcome those problems and make it easy. If you practice it well, it is easy for you. And if there are cube replacements, check for that, because sometimes you may throw somewhere and the cube may break, and if you replace it in wrong positions, the cube will not come again. So check for that. And these pieces are easily removable sometimes. And if the cube is not in proper position like this, you may not know where to place those cube pieces, and you may place it in wrong positions, and that also causes the problem. And check for this condition, that is yellow's bottom is always white, red's bottom is always orange, and blue's bottom is always green. You can use various methods, but I have used this method as I have learned this method first for the first time, and I don't want to disturb myself. And you can learn very shortcuts in this Rubik's cube. This is the basic one. There will be a single formula, and I hope so with that we can solve this cube entirely. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. You can give me some suggestions in the comment box so that I can improve myself. Thank you.